Welcome to the Clover.com Robo-advisor for Investing Review Usage Experience. Links to the product can be found in the description below. Clover.com is an Australian robo-advisor designed to provide a seamless and accessible way for individuals to start investing, regardless of their financial knowledge or experience. Built for those who value convenience and automation, Clover.com creates and manages diversified portfolios tailored to your financial goals and risk tolerance, allowing you to focus on other priorities while your investments grow. It's a great fit for beginners and busy professionals looking for a hands-off investment approach. The onboarding process at Clover.com starts with an intuitive online questionnaire to assess your risk profile, investment goals, and time horizon. Based on your answers, the platform creates a personalized portfolio using a mix of ETFs that offer exposure to Australian and global shares, bonds, and other asset classes. Clover.com emphasizes diversification to minimize risk while aiming for consistent, long-term returns. A standout feature is its automatic rebalancing, which ensures your portfolio remains aligned with your chosen strategy by adjusting allocations when market conditions shift. One of Clover.com's key advantages is its straightforward fee structure. It charges a flat fee based on your account balance, with no hidden fees or additional charges for trades and rebalancing. This makes it an affordable option compared to traditional financial advisors. Moreover, the platform's low minimum investment requirement makes it accessible to first-time investors who want to get started with relatively small amounts of capital. Clover.com also provides detailed reporting and transparency, giving you insights into your portfolio's performance, asset allocation, and overall progress toward your financial goals. While it doesn't offer advanced tools for active traders or highly customized portfolios, it's designed to suit investors who prefer simplicity and long-term wealth accumulation without getting bogged down in market complexities. In summary, Clover.com is a practical and efficient robo-advisor for Australians seeking an automated, low-cost, and goal-focused investment solution. Its emphasis on transparency, diversification, and ease of use makes it a solid choice for both beginners and those looking for a hands-off approach. For more details, check out the links in the description.